Hey everyone, my name is Richard from Zappos.com, and today we are checking out this fantastic duffel from Burton. So what's awesome about this bag is obviously it's going to have tons of storage space on the inside. It's also going to be incredibly easy to carry around. We're going to have carrying handles on each side there so you can just grab it and go quickly. However, you also have these backpack straps here. Lots of cushioning on them, so they'll keep your shoulders feeling great while you're carrying it around, even if the bag gets really heavy with all your gear. It's also adjustable, so you can always get just the right fit. Here on the top of the bag, we're gonna have this little zipper pocket that comes undone for smaller accessories that you'll wanna keep always at the ready. You're also gonna have pockets on each side there for that stuff you'll wanna keep separated from the main compartment. It has that really sturdy lining in there to keep everything protected. And then, of course, we're gonna have that main compartment on the top here that unzips all the way around, really wide, opens up, and that's where you're gonna have your main storage area. As you can see, you have that tarp material here on the bottom of the bag to give you, again, some added durability for when you set the bag down. Got some pockets throughout the sides to keep your stuff organized in place. You also have some organization here on that top flap. So whatever you do, don't miss out on this awesome duffel bag here. It's from Burton.